Hello my lovely viewers, thank you for watching my videos. We are still on step 4 of our series how to start a farm in Ghana. In this step we will still focus on land preparation. As I indicated in the previous video, if you haven't watched my previous video or the previous steps, kindly click on the link on the screen to watch it before you come to this step. As I indicated in the previous video, land preparation is a very crucial part of farming. If something goes wrong, it will cost you a lot in your farming journey, and so I will advise you to seek guidance from the extension officers in your localities. Most extension officers in Ghana are paid by the government and they do not charge in providing their services. Some though may ask for TNT to visit your farm. As you can see in this video, this is just barely 2 weeks when we applied the non-selective weedicide on our land, and you can see the magic that the weedicide have done on the land. As you can see, most of the weeds have started decomposing and it is time to start plowing the land. Depending on what you plan to cultivate will determine how to plow. In the next video I will focus on individual crops. I'm going to start with rice cultivation, so if you are interested in rice farming, it's time to stay with us. And please click on the green choice icon on the screen to subscribe, and click on the notification bell to get notified anytime we upload any video. Note that all from step 1 up to this step is applicable to almost any crops that we grow in Ghana. Now from the next step, that we are going to focus on individual crops, and as I indicated, I will be doing rice, maize, and then chili pepper. So if you are interested in any of them, stay with us and subscribe. And I will encourage you to support me to grow this channel so that a lot more people will benefit from it. Thank you very much for supporting me. Peace out. Bye.